but late, perhaps 10 o'clock, with Venus burning hard in daylight. So we are certainly somewhere far north, and standing on this balcony when from beyond along the coast comes the gathering thunder of a long, many-engined freight train. Thunder, because though we are separated by this wide strip of water from it, the train is rolling eastward and the changing wind veers for the moment from an easterly quarter, and we face east like the angels under a sky clear save where far to the northeast over distant mountains whose purple has faded lies a mass of almost pure white clouds, suddenly, as if by a light in an alabaster lamp illumined from within the gold lightning, yet you can hear no thunder, only the roar of a great train with its engines and its wide shunting echoes as it advances from the hills into the mountains, and then all at once a fishing boat with tall gear comes running round the point like a white giraffe, very swift and stately, leaving directly behind it a long silver scalloped rim of wake, not visibly moving inshore, but now stealing ponderously beachward towards us, this scrolled silver-rimmed wash, striking the shore first in the distance, then spreading all along the curve of beach. Its growing thunder and commotion now joined to the diminishing thunder of the train, and now breaking rebound on our beach, while the floats, for there are timber diving floats, are swayed together, everything jostled and beautifully ruffled and stirred and tormented in this rolling slate silver, and little by little calm again, and you see the reflection of the remote white thunderclouds in the water, and now the lightning within the white clouds in deep water, as the fishing boat itself, with a golden scroll of traveling light in its silver wake beside it, reflected from the cabin, vanishes round the headland. Silence, and then again, within the white, distant alabaster thunderclouds beyond the mountains, the thunderless gold lightning in the blue evening, unearthly.